Hi guys, it's Camille, and today I'm going to be doing slimes. So yeah, I am having a goal, like my goal is to get 126 subscribers and 30 likes or more. And a lot of notification messages, and yeah. So, thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you don't, and subscribe because that'd be very awesome if I get some subscribers. So yeah, I'll be back in just a little. And you can see guys, I'm back. So now we're just going to set my camera here. Here is a slime. It's very pretty. Oh, it's cold. I'll let you guys see. Not that close.
Hey. Okay. Alright, bye.
What?
Chris here. I'm about to leave. He's walking in the door.
Huh?
Love you, bye.
Wait!
What?
Don't leave me here! Huh?
about to go party. I want to go party.
Daddy, I want to close. The door.
Go make sure the door closed and lock it.
I know, but help me.
Stop being scared and close the door.
I'm not. It won't work. I tried to.
Shut up. Get upstairs.
Look.
How many times you locked that door?
Look. Every time I see. I'm back. The video. Gummies! Sorry, I love gummies.
It's like flu season.
What season?
Flu season.
Because it's flu season?
Oh, y'all need y'all vitamins anyway. Take 2 vitamins.
Oh no.
Here.
Okay, wait a second.
You only get 2 of these a day. No more than that.
I get 2. Yay.
Got some biotin in here. Got some vitamin C.
Okay, I'll be back. I'm back. So yeah. Well, anyways, this was just a slime review about one slime. It would be a lot of slimes if I had other slimes, but this is like the only slime that I have. The what? Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys liked my video. Bye. I hope you give me subscribes, like I said at the first part of the video, and a lot of likes, like I said at the first video, and notifications. Yes, like I said at the first part, messages. So yeah. Bye.